Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today is the start of fall. No, seriously though, starting today on my channel, I'm gonna be bringing you guys a bunch of fun fall content, like back to school, fall stuff. I'm so excited. I can't believe, like, everybody likes to rush it. Like, the fact of the matter is we are not even done with summer, but hey, whatever. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby actually has Christmas stuff out already. Like, but either way, they had a bunch of awesome fall decor, so I'm taking you along for the ride. I did a little shop with me, and then I also did buy some stuff. So after the shop with me is done, I will pop back and I will show you all the things that I got and what I want to do with them, maybe give you some fall decor ideas. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're excited for, the next season of 2019. I am super excited for fall. Like, I don't know why. Just like summer was great and stuff, but like fall is just, like, I live in New England and fall is just the best in New England. I'm rambling. So let's get the shop with me going. I'm gonna let some music play and then I'll be back.
You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to end. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to change. No one's ever made it longer than a year. Oh no. Counting down the days till you disappear. 'Cause every time they get too close, I try and move away. This time you make me wanna stay. I'm not used to this, making me nervous, but you make it heaven. Whoa. Boy, you're different. Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see pretty girl writing love songs, but they're never for you. Love you like.
And I'm back. So I didn't get a ton of fall decor stuff. I'm actually pretty stacked on fall decor, but I always like to get a few new pieces, so I'll just show you what I got. So these aren't really fall, but I really wanted to get them. I really want to do something like super fun and exciting on the chalkboard that I have in my kitchen. Hey, Phoebe, hey, stop that. Stop that. You're not supposed to be scratching. So I got chalk pencils, which I've never used before, and then I just got some good old like Crayola chalk. So next up, this is the thing I'm most excited about. It says gather, but this is wood, so I can paint it. So I think I'm gonna paint it either red or like bright orange, and then I don't know where I'm gonna hang it, but I'll hang it somewhere. And this was only, what is wrong with my camera? My goodness. This is only $6.99. So I think that that was really cute, and I'm excited to paint it. I'm gonna see if Ev will wanna help me paint it. I think that would be a fun activity to do together. And then this one, oh my goodness, it's so cute. It says cuddle weather. So this is definitely gonna go in a bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in Ev's room or put it in ours. I think it would be fun. Hey, Faith, hey, what are you doing? Not supposed to be scratching. Sorry, guys. So how much was cuddle weather? Cuddle weather was $5.99, and I thought that this was so, so cute. I don't know, like I said, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it's definitely gonna go in a bedroom. And then next I got these cute little scarecrows, and they're like little like ledge, like shelf. They're little self-sitters. These are pretty cheap. How much were these? These are $3.99. My camera, man, will not focus today. So again, I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I just think that they were really cute. I think I'm going to put them on my entertainment system in my living room. But yeah, I think these are cute. And then probably my favorite piece of everything I got was this pumpkin spice thing. It says a whole latte love and pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin spice. I drink way too much of it. Target already has their pumpkin spice creamers out, and I already bought it. So I'm gonna put this in my kitchen, but I don't know where yet. But this is definitely gonna go in my kitchen. And then lastly, I got these like vase fillers. What is it? Scatters and fillers, and it's little pumpkins and pine cones. And then I didn't get this from Hobby Lobby. I had this already. I think this is technically for a dessert, but I'm not gonna use it that way. I think I'm gonna like fill this up, and then I think I'm gonna put a candle right in the middle. I'm not sure. And then I think I'm definitely gonna get some flowers as well, like from the Dollar Tree, and use this as a vase filler. But that's my plan for my fall decor. So guys, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't get like a huge haul done, but like I said, I'm pretty stacked on fall decor, so I'm super excited with what I got. And I'm torn on doing like a fall home tour. I didn't do one last year, but I think I'm gonna do one this year. Let me know if you guys wanna see that. I'm so excited for fall. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to decorate this weekend. So when you're seeing this, I think this is gonna go up on Friday. So when you see this, the day after Saturday is my daughter's birthday party. So I'm gonna try to decorate like after the party. It's a summer party, so I don't wanna have like a ton of fall decor out, you know, but right after, like as soon as everybody leaves, I'm gonna start decorating for fall. So yeah, I'm super excited. So let me know if you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. Let me know if you want to see other shop with me's. I think I want to do a home goods and maybe an at home. Let me know what you think. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. We have a lot of fun here. It's a really supportive, wonderful community, and I would be happy to have you. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.